Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to add background music on Snapchat. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. First, open the Snapchat app and record a short video of yourself or whatever you want to share. You can do this by holding down the capture button on the main screen. Once you have recorded your video, you'll see a row of icons on the right side of your screen. Now tap the music note icon. A menu will appear with a list of trending songs. You can scroll through the list and tap on the song you want to add to your video. Once you have selected a song, you can choose which section of the song you want to play. You can do this by dragging the scrubber bar at the bottom of the screen. Once you are happy with the song and the section you have chosen, tap the check mark. You can now move the song title to any part of the screen by dragging it with your finger. Once you are finished adding music and customizing your video, you can share it to your story by tapping the send button. You can also send it to a specific friend or save it to your camera roll. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.